When the machine is switched on, the keep fresh function may be activated by pressing the pre-cooling button for 3 seconds. The keep fresh indicator as well as a pre-cooling indicator will light up blue, and the machine in this manner can keep the mixture for a prolonged period of time. To switch it off, the pre-cooling button is pressed once again. To maintain the pre-cooling only, the pre-cooling button is pressed once and the pre-cooling indicator appears. To produce, the produce button is pressed. The pre-cooling may be switched off at any time during the process. To switch off the machine, once again pressing the pre-cooling button. The rainbow function is controlled by these 2 knobs. In the off position, there will be no rainbow function as the ice cream is withdrawn. In position number 1, only one flavor will be used. In position number 2, only one flavor, but the second flavor will be used. In position number 3, both flavors will be used on the ice cream. And once again, it may be rotated to off to switch off the function. To control the amount of flavor which is used, less it is rotated clockwise, and to use more flavor or more syrup, the knob is rotated in an anti-clockwise fashion. In this case, we have reduced the setting. To operate the machine and to display this function, we shall use 2 flavors mixed. To dismantle the extrusion system for the rainbow equipment, the following is done. Firstly, it is loosened by aligning these 2 points on the side and pulled out. Thereafter, the mouthpiece is screwed off, and it can be pushed out from the bottom and thereafter washed. The extrusion system can be unscrewed. The syrup tubes may also be removed by holding in the plastic ring and pulling out the tube gently, holding in the plastic and pulling out the tube. To replace them in similar fashion, pressing in the housing, putting the tube in, pressing in the housing, and putting the tube in. To reassemble the components, for the mouthpiece, the indicator must be aligned, the indicator being the 2 plastic protrusions. Thereafter, they must be aligned inside the housing, and it shall now be ready for remounting on the machine. For remounting, it is once again maintaining the alignment of the entrance towards yourself. The rest of the equipment is assembled in similar fashion. Assemble the system. First, the holding ring is slotted into place. Thereafter, the tubes are threaded through the holder into the cylinder, thereafter this is placed over and the apparatus is screwed into position. To fit back into the extrusion apparatus, the two indicators are aligned in their correct position and simply rotated. And the machine is now ready for production once again.